It's been 2 months since we last posted. A ton of work went on around here. It was pretty difficult to make full videos at everything because it was just like rush or get snagged up on something. So I'll make like a 4-minute video here of just 2 months worth of work with what we have. So we'll start up here real quick. So we extended our parking space. So instead of getting 2 vehicles, we can now get probably 4. We got some wood up here. Got a lot of split wood. Panels are cleaned up a lot. We got one on the back over there for the water pump. Starlink's mounted on the shit house. We actually have plumbing in there. Well, not plumbing. You got a water barrel. We got an old Kawasaki Bayou. And we got some green growing now. The place is looking half decent, cleaned up a lot. I don't know, take a guess what this is. This is I don't know. This is the extent of our garden. And this is what our corn's looking like. It's coming in real nice. Then we got grass now. I'm trying hard to get this stuff to grow. Like I'm putting down I don't know what it is, like grass mats. Try to get the holes to kind of seed, but they ain't working either. It's pretty difficult. What else? Oh yeah, there's to be a big table here, along with a bunch of rocks here. I don't know. We cleaned it up pretty good, I think. And we were actually able to hold a pretty large baby shower. There was 30-some people came up here. Our neighbor transferred them in and out with a side-by-side, so it was quite pleasant. So everybody got to see the place. I think I told you guys we're having a girl. So let's get to the live action.
Run past the rivers, run past all the light. Feel it crashing and burning till it all collides. Strike a match, lit the fire, shining up the sky. As it all comes down again, as it all comes down again, as it all comes down again to the sound. The sound of the wind is whispering in your head. Can you feel it coming back? Through the warmth of the cold, keep running till we're there. We're coming home now, we're coming home now. The sound of the wind is whispering in your head. Can you feel it coming back? Through the warmth of the cold, keep running till we're there. We're coming home now, we're coming home now. Hear the voices surround us, hear them screaming out. We'll be crying for mercy, we'll be crying out loud. Burn the bridges in our town till the point where we drown. As it all comes down again, as it all comes down again, as it all comes down again to the sound.
Alright, so now that you've seen all the work that's been done, I'm down here at the bottom, so what I'll do is I'll go through all the new stuff now and show you what the finished product looks like. So we built a little ramp over to a neighbor's property, and we dug out all this. That's basically what we use for all the fill for the driveway. Also, we have Matt just built a shooting range up there, so we have a place to shoot our guns now. So this right here, if you look at one of the first videos with the U-Haul, you'll see that the rocks are way more exposed on the left and right. So what we did was we put probably 2 or 3 feet of fill down, and then we put a foot down of gravel to lift the grade out of it. So it's a little better now. Hopefully we'll be able to plow it this winter. So we got a 32-foot trailer up here now. That's the outhouse from my property. So this used to be all bush. Obviously you've seen this. Pulled most of the logs out by that quad there. And then threw some layers of gravel, built that up, and yeah. Now, crazy thing is when we brought that up, there was such a shift coming up the first set of hills that the trailer actually squished Buddy's box. Like, squish on the side, and then his back rack got ripped off and the roof was all scratched too. So that's pretty eventful. I mean, you charged quite high to get up there and you could have said no, but we got her up here. Another little spot to put like an 18-foot trailer here. Just got to be raked down, clean it up a bit. And that's going to do it for today's video. Not sure what's coming next. I'm not sure what the projects are. All I know is I got a baby coming in 4 weeks. So I'm not sure how crazy we're going to get. But that'll do it for today. Bye-bye for now.